Anna, I'm gonna get you, Anna. Bubbled! You're bubbled! Anna! I'm running.
Hailey's magical playhouse. They have my Easter basket.
So you got your Easter basket. What are you doing?
Today, some Easter eggs all around outside in the playground.
Yeah, we're gonna do an Easter egg hunt. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go!
Look at the side. Wow, this is so amazing! Oh, sorry, that makes stuffing. That's okay.
What is that? Oh, wow.
Whoa, that was fast. I got it! I got it! I'm Easter, so I'm hopping. Hop, 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 hop. Whoa.
Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa.
I like it.
Finding all kinds of big ones.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, a golden one. Cool.
It's getting full.
Oh my goodness.
There's two watches, please. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Thanks, Elsa. Whoa. This is so fun. Oh, yeah. Easton's amazing!
I think you found so many. Oh my goodness. Can't even fit them in your basket?
Oh, one open. Let's see what's inside. Whoa! Let me get my bag. Now let's open everything!
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Yeah, the Minions blind bag.
Cool.
You can open Minions.
Oh, thank you.
Just like me.
Cool. Ooh, I wonder what's inside here. Oh my goodness. Look, it's tattoos. How cool.
Yeah. It's the all natural wow Minion. Comes with this thing to pin on. So it can
Cool.
stand up wow.
That's really neat. Yeah, it's right here.
Let's get this for you.
Oh, thanks.
Oh my gosh, it just fell!
Fell?
Yeah.
Oh, what is that? The golden surprise egg? Oh my gosh, it had 3 surprises inside? How
Yeah,
cool.
that's mine. Let's open the kin egg first.
The good dinosaur surprise egg. Wow, check these out. These are really sweet looking tattoos.
Oh,
Temporary
yeah.
tattoos. Awesome.
Cool.
Yeah.
Let's see what's inside this capsule. Oh, cute.
cute.
Oh my gosh!
Oh no, his head spins around.
Here you go.
Oh, so I get to open a Little's Pet Shop
And I
and
have a MyLittlePony.
yeah, awesome. This is a series 3.
Oh my gosh. Here we have I don't know the names though, but what? It's oh my gosh, I don't have these. Looks so cute.
That does look cute. And I've got the Littlest Pet Shop little pet right here. Oh, she's adorable.
She's in a box.
Yeah, it's like a little box.
Somebody's sending her away to a best little buddy.
To her buddy?
Yeah. I got this little cute My Little Pony wood.
Oh, Beachberry. How cute.
Here you go.
You gonna let me open this big thing? Oh my gosh. And what do you have?
I have pop blocks.
Cool. Oh wow, check it out. It's a Disney princess bubble whistle.
The SpiderMan one didn't work, Daddy.
It didn't, so hopefully this one works.
Hop, hop. Hop, hop. Hop, hop. This one doesn't work either.
Oh my gosh, why don't they work? You got it?
Oh, I have pop blocks.
Awesome.
Oh, yeah. It comes with 2 little stickers. It's perfect because it's Easter stickers.
Cool.
This kind of blue. Let me taste one.
Oh my gosh, it's so loud.
Yeah.
Oh, I get the purple one?
Yeah.
Awesome. Ooh, these things are huge. Whoa, cool. Oh, wow. This is Big Macintosh. That thing looks awesome. Oh, what did you get? Oh, it's a cute little animal babies. That's the turtle, a baby turtle.
I think she wants her mommy.
Oh.
But we gotta take care of her. I got her this little thing so she could suck on it.
Pacifier?
Yeah. So she could like go to sleep with it.
What are you gonna get? Oh my gosh.
I like the hair.
Whoa, what is that?
Oh my gosh.
That's
It
so
has
cool.
hair.
It's a trolley bright or sour bright crawlers minis. Awesome. And then what did I get? Oh, I've got an Ugly's Pet Shop. Let's see. Oh my gosh. There's more hair in there. Oh, cool. Look at these. Oh, he dropped in. I got him. Oh, awesome. It's a little mouse or rat. That's so cool.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at the gummy.
Don't eat that feather. You got like a feather on your head. Wow. That is so cool. What a neat surprise egg with the little hair. How are they?
They're good, so good.
Wow. What is that?
I have a shop egg.
Cool.
Bam.
Ooh, I wonder what's inside here. Oh my gosh. Oh, cool. Look. It's a Frozen Fashems. Series 1.
Whoa.
Oh, awesome. We got Elsa. Let it go. Let it go. Wow. Look at all the different designs.
And the candy was so sweet.
You like the candy?
It's so sweet.
The trolley gummy worms?
You want another one? Here, you can open this one.
Oh, thank you. So I've got a My Little Pony surprise egg, and Hailey has kitty one. Hello Kitty.
Yep. Let's open it.
Yeah, let's see what's inside here. Whoa.
Happy Easter! Oh my gosh. Hello Kitty tattoo.
Wow, and My Little Pony. Oh my gosh, she's gonna have so many these temporary tattoos. Maybe we can use some of these for decorating eggs.
More legs today.
Cool. Wow. Oh no. Stuff, big stuff heads. Gotcha. Whoa, those things are huge.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
I like this pink one.
You like the pink one?
Yeah, because it matches my ears.
Wow. I like those bunny ears you got on today.
Thanks. You should get there.
I should? Let's see what's inside here. Oh. Oh my gosh, this thing is so cool looking. Look.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, I always wanted those.
That's awesome. Anna, I'm gonna get you, Anna. Bubbled! You're bubbled! Anna! Anna! You're bubbled! Bubbled! I'm blocking you! Ah! I'm running! Wow, cool. So Disney Princess Little Kingdom, Merida's Playful Adventures. That's awesome.
Yeah, 2 more surprises.
Wow, thank you. Whoa.
Oh, half of my ponies.
Oh my gosh, me too.
Oh, got to be cut. Cut.
Well, let's see who we get. This is exciting. Who did I get?
Oh my gosh, that's my favorite.
Whoa, this one looks so cool. Plum sweet. Wow. It's like crystal white.
Oh, mine's clear.
Oh, wow, yours is crystal clear.
Look, Lucky cover.
Wow.
Look, guys, you can even get the gold ones.
Awesome. Wow. Look at all these other ones you could collect. Cool.
That's a really fun Easter hunt. How am supposed to you like in the comments below?
Yeah, let us know in the comments which one of these awesome toys was your favorite, or the candy.
Yeah, the Paw Box and these, because I love them. I want to get them. If you like this video, get a thumbs up.
Yeah, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends.
And subscribe for more baby videos like this one. That's right.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe for more fun videos with surprise toys, surprise eggs, and always having fun, right? Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
Oh, you want to sing? Bam.